Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Xmrig. First, navigate to the official Xmrig GitHub repository and download the most recent stable release. Once downloaded, extract the contents of the archive into a dedicated folder on your computer. It's crucial to ensure your antivirus software is configured to allow Xmrig to run without interruption, as it might flag the software due to its nature. This initial setup is straightforward and gets you ready for the next steps. Next, you'll need to configure Xmrig by editing the config.json file. Open this file with a text editor and locate the sections for your mining pool and wallet address. Carefully input these details to ensure your mining efforts are directed correctly. Also, specify the cryptocurrency you plan to mine using the coin parameter. Finally, fine-tune the CPU and GPU settings to match your hardware, aiming for maximum efficiency without overheating. This step is vital for effective mining. With your configuration complete, it's time to launch Xmrig. Simply double-click the executable file you extracted earlier. A console window will appear, displaying important information like your connection status to the mining pool and your current hash rate. Keep an eye on this output to ensure everything is running smoothly. For a more detailed overview of your mining performance and earnings, regularly check your mining pool's online dashboard. This provides valuable insights into your progress. To further optimize your mining, consider using a dedicated operating system designed for mining, which can significantly boost efficiency. Also, make it a habit to regularly update Xmrig. Developers frequently release new versions with performance enhancements and crucial bug fixes, ensuring you're always running at peak potential. For those looking to deepen their understanding of personal finance and wealth building, there's a fantastic resource available. Check the description below for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.